Hey guys, Francois here from the TEN-SCTE. Welcome to Tamiya Tuesday. And for today, I was going to go live, but I got called into work, so I decided to do this little video kind of as a tribute for Steve DeClark. Passed away yesterday. And, well, there's a couple things I want to mention. Operation 11 Charlie started a GoFundMe page, and I will put the link below in the description of the video for you guys to actually go see this video, or not see the video, but see the pictures. Man, I'm all... Anyways, sorry about that. To go to the GoFundMe page. So I'm going to put a link below for the GoFundMe page. Now, I'm going to show you a couple pictures, some pictures that I got off of his website, and just to do kind of a little tribute to STEVO, saying that he is gone, but not forgotten, and you'll always be there somewhere, back in my thought and things like that. You did some good things for Tamiya Tuesdays, and for the ERC community. You were a good guy, and let's go start the little slideshow I started with a whole bunch of pictures. Picture of him and his grandpa, and he is now with him up in heaven. He did build a whole bunch of Tamiya kits, and he also got a whole bunch of ready to run kits. And even though he was in a wheelchair, he didn't stop doing things, so he was always out there and doing stuff. And STEVO actually got up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not sure what he's up to now on his website or YouTube channel. So there he is playing with his wrestler. There's another Tamiya kit he was doing. Outside with his toys. Now at the end here, there's a fire hydrant. He always ended up hitting that fire hydrant. There's a lot of stories a lot of people could tell you, and I wish I could be live tonight to actually talk about this, but we'll do it again another night. There's a big rock. I believe that was a big rock. There's the comical grasshopper. Here's the Glamisphere. There's another kit he built. Like I mentioned, he built a lot of kits on Tamiya Tuesday. Here's one of the latest logo he was using. He sure drank a lot of monsters. Yep. Every time he was on the live stream, he always had a monster drink with him. Hospital, never giving up. This is what she was much younger. sucks. That's him and his sister. Always trying to keep a smile on. That's when he actually used a chrome paint in his Tamiya truck, the Fat Fox. And again, it's for Tamiya Tuesday. And I put this picture there just to show that there is no wheelchair in heaven. So now you're free to walk around and do whatever you want up there in heaven. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it. And guys, do a prayer for STEVO D. And thanks for watching. And we'll see you Thursday night for RC Talk. So take it easy. Go charge up some batteries and go out there and have some fun. It didn't stop STEVO D from doing it, and it shouldn't stop you. So you guys go out there and have some fun. Thanks. Bye.